Hello, good day everyone. So we're going to learn what is one-sided hypothesis and two-sided hypothesis. Okay. One-sided hypothesis or one-tailed test. A one-tailed test is a statistical hypothesis test used to determine if a sample mean is significantly greater than or significantly less than a population mean, but not both. It's used when a researcher has a directional hypothesis, meaning they predict the effect will be in the single direction. So, yung one-sided hypothesis po, they are called one-sided and two-sided hypothesis po, they are called hypothesis testing. So, what is hypothesis test? This is a statistical method para i-check kung may sapat na ebidensya ang claim natin. Mm. So here in a one-tailed test po, ang chine-check po natin is if the alternative hypothesis is less than or greater than. Okay. So sa one-tailed hypothesis po, meron pong directional hypothesis. It's used when the alternative hypothesis specify a direction more than or less than. Sabi ko na po yung kanina. So, ang type po ng one-tailed test natin or one-sided hypothesis is right-tailed test used when alternative hypothesis states that the mean is greater than a certain value, where the alternative hypothesis is the parameter is greater than specific value po. So, sa left-tailed test naman po is used when the alternative hypothesis states that mean is less than a certain value. For example po is alternative hypothesis is equals to parameter is less than a specific value. For example po. So our example number 1 is a teacher at a certain school claims that the students in her school are above average intelligence. A random sample of 30 students' IQ score have a mean score of 112. Is there sufficient evidence to support that the principal's claim the mean population IQ is 100 with the standard deviation of 15? IQ score are normally distributed. So, ang ano po natin dito, ang sample size po natin dito is 100 dahil ang hinahanap po ay a teacher at a certain school claims that the students in her school are above average intelligence. So, is the sabi po, the mean population IQ is 100 with a standard deviation of 15. So, our population po is 100. So, our null hypothesis po is equals to mu is equals to 100 because our null hypothesis naman po ay lagi pong equal sa specific value. Where our alternative hypothesis po is mu is greater than 100 because sabi po dito is above which mean greater than. So this is a right tail test because we use greater than. So for example number 2 naman po. On the average, it takes less than a week to learn how to solve math problem. So we use less than po. So our null hypothesis is mu is equals to 1, where our alternative hypothesis is mu is less than 1. This is a left-tailed test because we use less than. So our example number 3 naman po is a company claims that their bulbs last at least 800 hours. So our null hypothesis is mu is equals 800, where at our alternative hypothesis is mu greater than 100 because sabi daw po ang company na-claim po nila na naglalas ang kanilang bulb at least 8 hours, which means that is greater than 800. So, sa one-sided lang naman po is i-specify po natin if it's less than or greater than. Yan po yung hypothesis testing. So, the two-sided hypothesis naman po, or two-tailed test, we call that, in senior high school po kasi kami ang tawag po doon ay two-tailed test. So, a two-tailed test is statistical hypothesis test used to determine if a population parameter is significantly different from a specific value in either a positive or negative direction. It is a non-directional test that splits the significance level into two equal parts with a rejection region in both the left and right tails of the distribution curve. So, sa two-tailed test po, di ba po may distribution curve na para mountain? Yung dalawa po yung magiging shaded part po nun, dalawa po sa gilid. Yes. So, key features po ng two-sided hypothesis is non-directional. So, unlike a one-tailed test, which predicts a change in single direction, example, greater than or less than, a two-tailed test checks for difference in either direction. So, ang mangyayari po, ang ating alternative is always not equal. Hypothesis. The null hypothesis is parameters equal specific value. Typical stated, there is no difference. Well, population mean equals specific value. While sa alternative naman po, parameter is not equal specific value. State there is a difference. The population mean is not equal to the value. So, alpha splitting po, if yung significance level of, for example, 0.05 po, di ba po merong distribution, ano po, yung parang mountain. Gawa po pagka two-tailed test. Pag two-tailed test po, magiging dalawa po yung shaded region nyo. So, yung 0.05 po, i-divide nyo po sa dalawa. Kaya pa naging 0.025. And each tail creating two rejection regions. Tawag po pag nag-shaded part kayo, yun po yung rejection region. It is used when you want to see if a variable has statistically significant effect but are not sure if it will be positive or negative effect. Kaya po yung sa sa distribution curve po, yung left part is negative where the right part is positive. So, for example po, number 1. As per record, first time takers of driver exam have 37 passing rate. The LTO would like to determine if it will be different next year. Gawa po may sinabing different. Kaya po, ang ating alternative is not equal. Pag po nasa tanong na different, matik po, two-tailed test na yon. Well, our null hypothesis naman po is naging equal to the specific value, which is this is no direction. So, number 2, a survey claims 60% of students prefer studying at morning. You want to test if the actual proportion is different from 60%. May sabi na naman po ditong difference. So, our alternative hypothesis po is different again, which is, our claim is no direction. Sample number 3, a factory claims that the average weight of their product is 100 grams. A researcher wants to test if the true mean is different from 100 grams. Pag po laging may difference sa tanong, matik po lagi po yung alternative hypothesis. So, this is no direction. Well, alternative hypothesis is not equal to 100. Thank you po.